burgers, fries, chicken tenders, mozzarella sticks, I've got it all. Today we're making fast food in the air fryer. The air fryer is such an amazing tool and appliance to get restaurant quality fast food meals at home for way cheaper and usually for better too. So let's go. We make these all the time and they're so easy. So in a preheated air fryer, 400 degrees, I'm just gonna take a frozen burger patty, and you can use fresh one as well. The time will just be a little bit different. Frozen burger patty like that. I'm going to shake some Montreal steak seasoning on here. That's what we like on our burgers, or you can just do salt, pepper, garlic powder, and then put them in for 12 minutes. You'll wanna start checking around the 10-minute mark and flip them halfway between. The burgers look good, but they're not quite up to temp yet. So what I'm going to do is just flip them, get rid of some of the juices, and then I'll just season the other side as well. And then we'll put them in for another 5 minutes. These just finished cooking at 10 minutes and they are good on temp. So if you wanted to put cheese on these, you could just flip them, add a piece of cheese on top, and then put them back in the air fryer for about 30 seconds, and then you'd have a cheeseburger. Next, let's make some frozen fries. These frozen fries taste better than oven baked for sure because they don't taste dry. I've got some thin cut French fries and I've also got some seasoned tater tots. You can cook these both at the same time. I do them at 400 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how well done you like your fries. Also, if you're not using this hack, make sure that when you have bags like this, cut the package down the middle like this, because then after, you can just tie it up like that. All right, so we've got preheated air fryer. Do some tater tots. Most of the time, frozen fries will have a little bit of oil in them already. You can look at the packaging so you can see what the ingredients are. So you don't have to spray them with additional oil. You can if you want them crispier though. Okay, it's been about 7 minutes. The tater tots look awesome. The fries look awesome. These are ready to eat. And right when they come out, this is for any fried foods, make sure that you salt them right after they come out of the fryer, the oven, because that's when the oil is going to be most at the surface and it's going to stick more. These thin cut fries are the most like McDonald's. These are actually really good. Next, let's make some hot dogs. So these are actually the big old sausages from Costco. They sell them like in a big pack. And I like these because they have like really clean ingredients and they taste so much better than regular hot dogs. But if you just want to get like a pack of like 99-cent hot dogs at the store, the air fryer is the way to make them. They get so crispy and like almost like fried, but like I said, they're not fried. They're so good. So I'm just going to stick this sausage in the air fryer, cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes, and you can eat it on a bun. You can just cut it up, eat it with mustard. That's what I usually like to do with salad, and it's so easy. Okay, look at our yummy sausage. The exterior is like super kind of crisp and it's seriously so good. Like I said, I like to just eat these. I cut them up, put mustard on it, and then I have it with like salad or veggies or fruit when I'm eating a little bit more low carb. The last thing I'm making are these frozen chicken tender strips. I get them at Sam's Club. They're about $15 to $20 a box for 15 pounds, and they are our favorite. They have like actual chicken in them. They're not like a weird nugget thing, but we make these in the air fryer, 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, flipping halfway between, and they are so good. I only have to do 1 strip per, like about 1.5 strips for my 2 kids because I cut them up into little nuggets after, and they are amazing. They're so good. You can throw them with some buffalo sauce. You can chop it up and put it on a salad. Definitely recommend. Got them in here. Okay, these were in for less than 20 minutes. Take the temp and they're good. These are so delicious. They're perfect for fast food at home. So these are just frozen mozzarella sticks and they cook for about the same amount of time. So I'm going to put them on this side. These mozzarella sticks are frozen. They only cook at 400 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. So they'll be done around the same time. Okay, here we are. I actually flipped the garlic toast about halfway between, but look how amazing that is. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. And our mozzarella sticks have busted just a little bit, but that's okay. They look awesome. Thank you again so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure that you watch the first 14 things that you need to make in your air fryer video right here. I also have an air fryer playlist right here. And if you're new here, consider subscribing because I bring you videos every single week on appliances, recipes, kitchen hacks, Amazon finds, and I would love to have you next week. Okay, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.